As a manufacturer, you are under immense pressure to deliver innovative products faster. But how can you get your products to market quickly with disconnected engineering and manufacturing systems? A gap between PLM and ERP leads to errors, duplication, and data loss. To ensure seamless production, data should flow freely from one system to the other. Introducing PLM Integration Framework, a configurable solution that connects any PLM with Microsoft Dynamics 365. The integration enables data such as bills of materials, engineering change orders, product parts, status, and documents to flow from PLM to ERP, providing a unified data view into revision and change orders, thus reducing errors, enhancing production speed, and improving product quality. Boost your production with PLM Integration Framework. Available out of the box for Siemens Teamcenter and PTC Windchill. Get started today. Click on the link to download the fact sheet.